Welcome to Dalit Knowledge. This is Professor Dr. Lela Karunyakara, uh, Dalit historian and Ambedkarite thinker. Today is Buddha Purnima. I wish all of you very happy Buddha Purnima. We celebrate Buddha Purnima for three reasons. On this day, Gautam Buddha was born, got enlightenment, and died. All over the world, people celebrate Buddha Purnima for Buddha's birth, enlightenment, and death. Buddha is the only great person in the world whose birthday and enlightenment day and death day, all three comes together on single day. Ambedkar embraced Buddhism on 14th October 1956 at Nagpur. First he recited Trisharanam and Panchashil. When he made Dalits to embrace Buddhism in Nagpur, he asked the Dalits to recite not only Trisharanam and Panchashil and also 22 Buddhist words. Ambedkar prescribed 22 Buddhist words for Dalits to recite at the time of embracing Buddhism. Today, Ambedkarite Buddhists in Nagpur and all over the world, they celebrate Buddha Purnima in Ambedkar way. This video lecture is about how to celebrate Buddha Purnima in Ambedkar way. One is dress culture, that is white dress. Another one is ritual culture, that is reciting the Trisharanam, Panchashil and 22 Buddhist words of Ambedkar. Now, what should be the food culture? How to celebrate Buddha Purnima by adopting what kind of food culture? Buddhist culture is universal culture. All over the world, Buddhists celebrate Buddha Purnima with a joy and happiness. People eat composite food, that is vegetables as well as meat. There is no Buddhist in the world who doesn't eat meat. Every Buddhist eat meat. Ambedkarite Buddhists eat meat. Tibetan Buddhists eat meat. Burmese Buddhists eat meat. Sri Lankan Buddhists eat meat. Taiwan Buddhists eat meat. Thailand Buddhists eat meat. Japanese Buddhists, Chinese Buddhists, every Korean Buddhist, every Buddhist eat meat and celebrate Buddha Purnima. Because Buddhist food culture is universal food culture. In one place, Ambedkar explained the concept of need to kill and will to kill. Need to kill means animal is a food for human beings. So if human kills animal for food purpose, that is need to kill. And need to kill is permitted in Buddhist culture. Will to kill is not permitted. Will to kill means for the sake of killing the animal. If you kill animal for luxury things or for sake of killing or for the sake of just hunting, that is not permitted in Buddhist culture. You are killing animal, you are butchering animal, you are sacrificing the animal in the name of God or in the name of religion, that is not permitted in Buddhist culture. But for food purpose, you can kill the animal and eat it. This is what Ambedkar explained in the concept called need to kill and will to kill. So need to kill is permitted, but will to kill is not permitted. Hence, all over the world, every Buddhist eat meat as well as vegetables. Hence, Buddhist food culture is universal food culture, that is composite food culture. So when Ambedkarite Buddhists celebrate Buddha Purnima, they should follow these three cultures. One is dress culture, that is white dress. Then is ritual culture, that is reciting Trisharanam, Panchashil and 22 Buddhist oaths of Ambedkar. And the third one is food culture, that is universal food culture, eating meat and vegetables together. This is what Ambedkarite Buddhist culture. This is how Buddha Jayanti can be celebrated in Ambedkar way. Buddhism is not a religion. Buddhism is a message. It's a message of social equality. It is a message of social morality. Ambedkar embracing Buddhism doesn't mean that Ambedkar embraced any religion. Ambedkar embraced a message of social equality, message of social morality. Buddha's message, what Ambedkar gave to Dalit society, is for the whole Dalit society. It is not only for Dalits who embraced Buddhism. It is not only for Dalits who follow Buddhism. Buddha's message, since it is not a religion, it is a message of social equality. Since it is a message of social morality, Ambedkar brought Buddha's message to the whole Dalit community. Buddha's message need to be celebrated on the day of Buddha Purnima by not only Ambedkarite Buddhists and also all Ambedkarite Dalits, Christian Dalits, Sikh Dalits, Hindu Dalits, Muslim Dalits, all Dalits. So Buddha Purnima is a celebration of message of Buddha, that is the message of social equality and social morality by the whole Dalit society, whole Ambedkarite Dalit society. In other words, it's a celebration for all Ambedkarite Dalits. Buddha's message is the message for liberty, equality and fraternity. Hence, it should be celebrated by all Dalits irrespective of which religion they are following. Why? Because Buddha's message, in Ambedkar words, is not a message of any religion. It is message for the whole society, for the whole humanity. With these few words, once again I wish all of you a very happy Buddha Jayanti. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.